So hey guys and welcome to the channel. In the previous video I have given you the notations and key points of the chapter electricity. In today's session I am going to explain those keywords and notations in brief. So let's start our today's session. First things first, what we have is electricity. Okay. Now what electricity basically means? It means it is a form of energy. Electricity is nothing but a form of energy which is carried through wires and is used to operate machines, lights, fan, etc. Okay. So electricity is nothing but it is a form of energy. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. ठीक है, ये एक एनर्जी का फॉर्म है जो कि कैरी किया जाता है वायर्स के थ्रू. ऑब्वियसली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज कैरीड थ्रू वायर्स and is used to operate light, machines, fans, etc. Okay. Next up, after electricity, we have charges. In the previous session, I have defined charges as the property of matter which give us electricity. And in this session, I am going to elaborate that definition, and the elaboration of that definition is the property of matter due to which it can apply force on another matter. Charge is nothing but the property of matter by which it can apply force on another matter. If you want the definition, I am moving aside. You can definitely take the screenshot of this. Now after charges, we have the another topic, types of charges. Now charges have basically two types. Okay, charge have basically two types, which are positive charge and negative charge. Okay, now first we have positive charges. Now what are positive charges? Positive charges are those charges which are acquired by glass rod. Okay, the charge acquired by glass rod is called the positive charge. Now after positive charge we have negative charge. Now what are negative charge? Negative charges are nothing but the charge acquired by plastic rod is called negative charge. Now I will explain you these two topics again in Hindi. ठीक है, जो चार्ज प्लास्टिक रॉड पे अप्लाई होती है वो नेगेटिव चार्ज होती है, और जो चार्ज ग्लास रॉड पे अप्लाई होती है वो चार्ज पॉजिटिव चार्ज होती है. Let's see the symbol and the SI unit of charge. Now the symbol I have given you in the previous video in the notation, but let's see it again. Now the symbol of charge is Q. The charge is denoted by Q, and the SI unit of charge is coulombs, which is denoted by capital C. Okay. Now what coulomb means? What 1 coulomb exactly means? 1 coulomb means that 1 coulomb is a quantity of electric charge which can exert a force of 9 into 10 to the power 9 newtons on an equally charged object placed on the distance of 1 meter from it. And now what 1 coulomb is equal to? 1 coulomb is equal to 6.95 into 10 to the power 18 electron. Now 1 coulomb is equal to 6.95 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Okay. Now second we have electrostatic force. Now what is electrostatic force? Electrostatic force basically means the two charged objects can either attract or either repel each other, and the force acting between them, the force acting between these two objects is called the electrostatic force. As we know that the same charges will repel each other and the unlike charges will attract each other. I will explain you this topic in Hindi, that electrostatic force वो फोर्स होता है जो कि दो चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में वर्क करता है जब वो चार्ज ऑब्जेक्ट एक दूसरे को अट्रैक्ट करते हैं या फिर रिपेल करते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सपोज वी हैव टू लाइक चार्जेस एंड टू अनलाइक चार्जेस. ओके, then what happened? The unlike charges attract each other. Okay, and the like charges will repel each other, and the force acting between them is called the electrostatic force. Last things last, in today's session we have free charge. Now what is free charge? Free charge is nothing but the charge moves throughout the conductor is called free charge. फ्री चार्ज वो चार्ज होता है जो कि कंडक्टर के थ्रू बाहर आता है, जिसकी वजह से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होती है. सपोज वी हैव अ आयरन बार. ओके, वी हैव अ बार ऑफ आयरन. ओके, and the iron is a very good conductor of electricity, as we all know, and the charge which is moved through this iron bar is called the free charge. Now here is our end of the today's session, and we will start our next session with the topic called the method of charging, which is the most important topic in the chapter electricity. Okay, so make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon also to get notified of our next session. Thank you for joining.